Limited production classics commemorating significant milestones are pretty much a no-brainer when it comes to collectability. Add that status to the already desirable second-generation Trans Am, and you've definitely got something special. With 30 original miles on the clock, this 79 10th anniversary Trans Am is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Beginning life at GM's Norwood manufacturing facility and meeting its first owner at Pell Pontiac in Westboro, Massachusetts, this terrific Trans Am is a virtually untouched time capsule. As you would expect, the car's straight body remains solid, looking decidedly handsome under original paint and a fiery array of attractive decals. And today, this rarity rolls as a super clean classic that would be equally at home on the green of a high-end show or in the company of a world-class collection. Inside is a 10th anniversary exclusive interior that looks fantastic. Firm and comfortable seats are nice metallic pieces that have the liquid cool appearance of wet paint. A clean console hosts power window switches behind a Hurst shifter. An engine-turned instrument panel frames crystal clear gauges above factory climate control and correct Cadillac-sourced audio. And an attractive Formula steering wheel tops an optional tilting column. Pop the hood and you'll find the original Pontiac W72 V8 that, like all 1979 W72s, was exclusive stock from Pontiac's 78 discontinuation of the engine. Behind that 400 cubic inch motor is the original BorgWarner T10 4-speed that spins a 10-bolt rear. We featured many of these 10th anniversary Trans Ams, and without exception, they've all sold very quickly. There's a devoted following who knows these are underrated classics, and pristine, mostly original cars are becoming exceptionally difficult to find. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.